Hey, hi, hello, my name is Alexis, and today we're doing this look right here, which is 100% vegan. All the products on my face are vegan and cruelty-free, of course. Yeah, so I was doing like a cruelty-free, like research for a cruelty-free video, and I was like, I'm gonna challenge myself, because nobody asked me to do vegan makeup. So this is all stuff that I already had in my makeup collection? Why did I say it like that? So I did a lot of research to make sure this stuff was vegan, and yeah. So if you want to see how I did this look, 100% vegan. How many times can I say vegan? Vegan, vegan, vegan. Anyways, keep on watching. I'm starting with the Cover FX blurring primer. This is the old packaging, but it's the same product. And Cover FX is 100% vegan. All of their everything is vegan. So that's a good brand to look into if you are trying to use strictly vegan makeup. For foundation, I'm going to use the Beauty Blender foundation. I have this in the shade 2.30. Oh, I have to unlock the thing in order to use it. I'm just going to pump it onto the blender. And the Beauty Blender and the foundation are both vegan and cruelty-free. I did see when I was doing like some research, some people were questioning whether the foundation was vegan, because Beauty Blender does sell in China. They sell the Beauty Blender, like the sponge, in China. However, in China, they don't test accessories and tools on animals, which is why this can be sold in China and still be considered cruelty-free. The foundation they don't sell at all in China, so therefore it is still cruelty-free, and both products are vegan. For concealer, I'm using the Nude Born This Way from Too Faced. I have this in Nude. I hate trying to get this thing open because I feel like it kind of like pops out and then it just spits everywhere. Put a little bit up there too, because I don't know what's happening there. I'm just going to blend that in with my Beauty Blender again. I am setting with the Hourglass Veil Powder. I don't know if Hourglass is 100% vegan. I don't think they are. I think there's some stuff that isn't vegan, like some products that are not vegan. But if you go on the Hourglass website, like their own website, they do have a section of vegan products. So there's like at the top, in the top menu, there is a vegan button, and you can click that and it'll give you all of the products that are vegan. And that includes the Veil Primer also, and the Vanish foundation, the liquid. I think the stick was on there too. I know they have a lot of vegan stuff, but I don't think the whole line's vegan. For my brows, I'm going to use Brow Wiz from Anastasia. This is in the shade Caramel. I just had to double check right now on their website, because when I was doing my research for this, I just like clicked on the brow pencil and I was like, oh yeah, it's vegan. But I didn't go through all of the colors, because as I learned later on in my research, you can have a product that's cruelty-free, but only some of the shades of that product be vegan. So I just had to double check right now and make sure that the caramel shade was vegan, and it is, so we're gonna use it. Okay, I don't have a vegan eye primer. That's the only thing I don't have like already in my collection, to be honest with you. I don't even have a cruelty-free. Did I say eyeliner? Eyeshadow primer. I don't have a vegan or cruelty-free eyeshadow primer, because eyeshadow primers, a lot of them don't work for me. The only one I can use for my eyes is NARS, which is no longer cruelty-free, and they're definitely not vegan. So that's the only thing that I don't have. So we're just gonna skip that. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Alien palette from Jeffree Star. I didn't look to see if all of his palettes are vegan. I want to say they are, but don't quote me on that. So I don't know if all of his eyeshadow palettes are vegan, but Alien 100% is vegan. So I'm going to use this today. Whoops, I'm hitting the camera because this palette is so huge. I think I'm just going to go for like a full-blown smoky eye, because I really like the look of this Space Cowboy shade right here. So I'm going to start with Phone Home, which is this one. And just put this in and above my crease. I'm just going to do like a simple smoky eye. And I'm going to take Space Cowboy. Put that all over the lid. And blend those edges out. This color's really pretty. It's like a dark gray, like not quite black base with like a burgundy red shift to it. And then the cats are running. Okay, and I am taking Space Cowboy again. And putting that on the lower lash line. And blending that out. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to take Pluto. This is definitely not the kind of look I intended to do today. I didn't think I was going to do a full-blown smoky eye, and yet here we are. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to take Interstellar. Hi, Beans. Oh, bye, Beans. Okay, the next step I'm going to do off camera, I'm going to put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, and I'm using the Marc Jacobs Highliner for that. I am going to admit to you that I'm 95.99% sure that this is vegan, but please correct me if I'm wrong. I did look through the ingredients. I didn't see carmine or beeswax. What I did see was, I forget what the word is, I'll put it on the screen somewhere, which is a alternative to beeswax because it comes from the ground. So I'm going to assume, I googled the ingredients, that was the one that I was really not sure about, and it came up as like a vegan alternative. So I'm going to assume that this isn't vegan. My research has told me that this is vegan. Wait, did I mess that up? I'm assuming it's vegan. My research has told me it is vegan, but if you know for sure, please let me know. This is the only thing that I'm iffy about. So I'm going to do that, curl my lashes and apply mascara. I'm using the Kush mascara from Milk. Too Faced Better Than Sex is vegan, but the waterproof version is not. So that's the only reason why I'm not using that one, because the waterproof version is not vegan. The original non-waterproof Better Than Sex is vegan. So I'm going to do this and then come back. So here's the finished look. Super smoky, but I really like it. And it makes my eyes look really brown. So that's that. Let's finish off the face. So I just realized I forgot to do this before I powdered my face. This is the only contour I have that is vegan, and it is the cream contour from Anastasia. So I'm gonna just hope for the best here and try and contour over powder. So I'm gonna take Light Sculpt, which is this here, and attempt to contour my face. Yay, it worked. Probably because I used my beauty blender. Anyway, so that was the contour. Bronzer, I am using Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, my favorite bronzer in the whole entire world, and it's vegan. Look at how sad that is. Jesus, I have a new one. I just don't want to open any of them yet. I could have used one of the bronzer shades in the cream highlight contour palette also, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to use my favorite bronzer. So, whoops, I'm just putting this on. Add some color back into the skin, even though that contour is extreme, but I kind of like it. Okay, for blush, I have this Love Blush palette from Too Faced. I have 6 colors in here. Only 2 of them are vegan. So this is what I said when I said earlier with the brow pencil, like you could have a cruelty-free product with multiple colors, but not all of them are vegan. So the only ones that are vegan, let me double check my notes before I lie to you. Okay, so the only 2 colors that are vegan in here are Your Love is King, which is the dark purple, and How Deep Is Your Love, which is the red. I think I'm gonna mix these. I'm gonna mix these 2 together then, because neither one of them really quite go, so I'm gonna mix them together and make them go. But yeah, so if you have this palette or these blushes, those are the only 2 that are vegan, which I'm actually kind of surprised that they are. because they're a purple and a red shade, which I would think would have carmine in them, but I guess not. All right, I'm not gonna question it anymore. So I'm just gonna go bloop, 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 bloop. And pop this on my cheeks. Oh, see, there you go. I made a neutral. It's a little pink, but that's okay. Goes with the eye. The eye has some pinky red to it. For highlight, I'm taking Moonstone from Becca. I believe all of the pressed highlights are vegan. Down my nose, Cupid's bow. I didn't pull out a lip yet because, first of all, I didn't even know what look I was doing. So I'm gonna find a lip and then I'll be right back. Okay, I found one. This is Sepia lip gloss. The gloss, not the liquid lipstick. This is the gloss from Anastasia. And I double checked. The actual color, it is vegan. And finally, setting spray. I have the Urban Decay All Nighter. This is the original All Nighter. I dropped the other cap. Not the pollution protection. I actually didn't even look, I didn't even think to look to see if the pollution protection was vegan, but I would assume that it is. Urban Decay, I think all of their setting sprays are vegan. But anyways, this is the original All Nighter. So here's the finished look. 100% vegan. All vegan products, vegan friendly products. I really like how this look turned out, even though I had no intentions on doing anything this dramatic. Is it on my teeth? But yeah, this is the look and I'm really enjoying it. So thank you guys for watching. If you want another vegan makeup look, let me know, because I'll happily do this again. I really enjoyed it. I enjoyed the challenge. I stayed up a lot later than I intended to, looking at products and making sure they were vegan for this. So if you want another one, let me know, because I'll do it. But yeah, that's it. See you guys soon. Bye.